And if nothing really matters, and this place just isn't true, I'll be happy that I wasted all this time.